Exclamation mark showing strong feelings. In this module, you'll learn about the exclamation mark and its use. The exclamation mark, an important punctuation symbol used in English, indicates an exclamation or strong feelings such as surprise, fear, or even disgust. Look at the following sentences. Wow, she sings beautifully. Boo, her voice is cracking. What rubbish! Couldn't you find a better singer? Nonsense! I've never heard such bad music in my life. In these sentences, the exclamation mark is used to show strong feelings of the speaker, both negative and positive. The exclamation mark acts as a full stop for the sentence. For example, what a fool you've been. It was so shocking. Wow, that's brilliant. Sometimes the exclamation mark is repeated to show additional emphasis. For example, that's great. Hooray. However, in English, using multiple exclamation marks is not encouraged. One exclamation mark would suffice. For instance, that's great. Hooray. Let's recall what we've learned. The exclamation mark indicates an exclamation with strong feelings such as surprise, fear, or even disgust. An exclamation acts as a full stop. The exclamation mark should be used sparingly, and there should be only one exclamation mark after each sentence.